Hi friends, good evening. This time I would like to present two ragas. Firstly, this raga and then another raga closely related to this raga. First raga, this, the second ragam is called Nalina Kandi. Let us find out how is this ragam presented. First, we got to know what is the arohanam and avarohanam, the ascending and descending order of this raga. Arohanam. Saji, saji, mapani sa, sa, ni, tapa magari, magasam, re mapani sari, sari magari sa, pani sari, tapa, mapavada magari. This is the true nature of this raga. We can beautify this raga using our plans, our styles, our fingering methods. Sari mapali sam, sani dava magari, magari. That is called Desri. Magari. From the position of ma. It is coming to re directly by a long gamaga. Raga, a brief element. Then take as the core center as Panchamam. Panchamam. Stay there for some time, and our renderings, fingerings, and all things will be around that part. Now we can learn how the Nalina Kanti Raga is played and performed. Nalina Kanti has got an obvious relationship and similarity to the former raga just I played, called this. Nalina Kanti is mostly a Carnatic raga, but this is, as its name reveals, it is a Desya or foreign. I mean, foreign. It is not in South India born. It is not South India born. It came from north. The Hindustani musicians used to first this raga, and seeing its attractiveness, the Carnatic musicians accepted this raga too. Now, both the Hindustani musicians and Carnatic musicians are widely using this raga called Desi raga. Both the ragas, Nalina Kanti and Desi raga, got some similar, common features in raga alapana, and it's in case of its arohana, avarohana aspects. While this raga is sari ma pa ni sam sa ni da pa ma ga re sam. Then Nalina Kanti ragam is not directly going to up from the below, and also it uses some curves and turns. Sari ma pam pam ni sam pa ni ni da ma pa da ma ga re. That is Desi. Then we can find out how Nalina Kanti ragam is used. Usually Nalina Kanti ragam starts raga lapana, only brief. The Desi raga is a rare raga, rarely used raga. Only rarely used raga is Desi raga. But there are plenty of compositions in classical side and light music and semi-classical music and theatrical music too. But in the field of film, the film music directors are not so familiar about the beauty and the attractiveness of this particular raga called Nalina Kanti. There are only very rare songs in the film field. But on the contrary, there are a few good compositions, kridis in Nalina Kanti. Of this, Manavyalakim of Tyagaraja is most popular. Manavyalakim. Then, how is Nalina Kanti's play? Just as this raga is used to sing, to present sarima padisam, or from the top, mesta shajam. Sa ni da pa ma ga re ma pa ni sa a re ni sa re ni da ma pa da ma ga re ma pa sa pa da ma ga re ga sa ri ni sa. This is the plan of this raga. But there is some difference, slight difference between this and Nalina Gandhi. When it starts, usually this time. Sagarima. This phrasing, Sagarima, is coming now and then in the Nalina Gandhi Raga, particularly in comparison with this. In this prayoga or this phrasing technique, Sagarim, that point is the big difference between these two ragas. Sagarima. Sagarim. Tadarindam. Sampadamam Kashakari. Then clear. The power of Nalina Gandhi has come. Then only. Sagarima Pasani Pasani. The big nishadam. Kagal nishadam. Pasani Sani Dani Zed Ibambagari Dani Zani Bambagari Imapanida Mapadisa Imapanida. Slight touch of the small nishadam, Kaishik nishadam. Pasani 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 Sarsani Dani Sarsani Sadani. Two nishams touch. Pasani Pasani Padamam Tadamam. That is very important. That touch is very important. So for us, this Nalina Kanti Raga is concerned, this touch is very important one. Papamam. Papamam maga sakari, sakari. With that touch only with that touch we can decide whether it is this or Nalina Kanti Raga. Pasani pani sari masan padamam tadamam maga sakari sakari ma pama pani sari gamsa ni sari ni padama pani san idama padama kari sakari ma sakari ma pani saga shimaga shisa ni sa padama pani tema padam padamam. Then that prayogas coming in both the ragas, this and this part only. This prayoga can be applied to both ragas called this and Nalina Kanti. But the main factor that differentiates these two ragas is here. Yes, thank you for watching. We can meet again with another such ragas.